Hey, this is Honor Serene for CreativeCow.net. In a previous tutorial, we took a look at some of the foundations of capturing digital video. In this tutorial, we're going to enhance on these concepts and take a look at few alternative solutions. The first topic we're going to cover is batch capturing. A prior tutorial discussed some of the concepts of batch capturing. In this tutorial, we're going to expand on those concepts. Batch capturing is essentially a technique that captures multiple parts of a single tape. This can be extremely helpful if you have a lot of material to capture. First, make sure that you have your deck active in VTR mode and your tape is inserted into the playback device. In Premiere Pro, go to File, Capture. Suppose we want to capture footage from our tape starting in 2 minutes and ending at 3 minutes. So we set our in point to 2 minutes and our out point to 3 minutes. Instead of selecting in out, select Log Clip. Selecting this button will present you with this capture screen that asks you to describe the logged clip. Once you're done logging your first clip, it's time to log another clip that starts at 11 minutes and ends at 15 minutes. So set your in point to 11 minutes and your out point to 15 minutes and select Log Clip. Provide information about this particular segment, select OK and close the capture window. With the capture window closed, go to your project window. In the project window, you'll find 2 offline files that you just generated after pressing the Log Clip button. Right-click on any one of the offline files and select Batch Capture. Premiere Pro will ask you to insert the correct tape and will start capturing. That's it. Batch capturing can be a great tool, especially while working on large projects with multiple hours of video. The second topic of this tutorial discusses an alternative method of capturing a footage. While Premiere Pro does an acceptable job, it is still not an efficient capturing tool, and hence the need for an alternative solution. The tool that we are referring to is called SC Live. You may be wondering why you would want to spend money for a new capture tool, when your editing application already has a capture tool and has served you well for a long time. Well, here are a few scenarios. Suppose you're working on a project with an excess amount of footage. This footage has to be captured, which takes a long time, and given the way Premiere Pro is designed, it prohibits you from capturing more than one video source at one time. So, if you have multiple decks and multiple FireWire ports, you can capture from a variety of sources all at the same time, by launching multiple copies of SC Live. Although this is a great feature, make sure that you limit yourself to 3 sources, as there is always a potential of dropping frames. Even if you don't have a lot of video, capturing for the most part is still real time, which means that for every minute of video shot, it takes the same time to capture that video. Since SC Live is a small application with a tiny footprint, it has the capabilities of capturing in the background, something that will surely save a lot of time, especially if you like to multitask. Another advantage of using SC Live is its ability to export to a connected deck. While this is certainly possible with most editing applications, usually exporting ties up your system. These are just a few reasons to capture using SC Live. One of SC Live's best features is its ability to capture using scene or date detection, capture time-lapse footage, and best of all, it's only $39 and all future updates are free of cost. SC Live offers a watermark trial version, and I encourage you to try it out. In the next few weeks, I will be posting a full review of SC Live on CreativeCow.net, so be sure to check it out. For more tips, tricks, and tutorials, visit CreativeCow.net.